Hey everybody, here we have a very old Carrier commercial series unit running. And we have another one right here. And a older unit, a newer unit. It's like a base series. The coil on it is vandalized. Just thought that was kind of cool. Decided I'd grab a little video on it. Here's a few more units at the bowling alley. I think these are York. Holy, that is a massive, that is the biggest reversing valve I have ever seen in my life. It's got like a little reversing valve on top of a big one. Yep, York. I have never seen a reversing valve that big, ever. Another one? God. It's a little reversing valve on top of a gigantic one. This one hasn't ran in a while. It's got pine straw on it. And then there's another one on the end. Alright. Just saw these and thought, well, why not grab a video? Here's an Amerit and an Elite series Lennox units. At the building next door. These probably replaced Carrier round ones or some other sort of round unit based on the round condenser pad underneath. We have some more units here. A Carrier round one, which is not running. Has been running. 1986. Suction line's nice and cold, and that is as it should. About, you know, a little, right about outdoor temperature. It has been running. It'll probably start up soon. It's got the original disconnect on its round condenser pad. And here is another Carrier. This is probably an early 90s first generation of the CKC. I don't think this was actually called the CKC, but it's identical. 1993, 38 CKO, 3-ton. I don't think this one's been running. Comes a reciprocating compressor. I have a fan shroud from one of these laying around at my house. Here's a Bryant. See, it's on the original Carrier round one condenser pad. Bryant. With its nice cope and scroll. Interesting how they ran the lines. 2013. 3-ton. Here's a Carrier commercial unit. With its gigantic compressor down in there. This might be original, I'm not too sure. Looks like it's got a lizard or something on the blade. See that big compressor down in there? That is a giant. It's a beast. Trying to get a good shot of it, but the lighting isn't really doing any favors. Oh, it's been running? That's crazy. That would scare me quite a bit if it started up right now. The data's on the other side. Carrier split system. It is a 2006, I believe that would be, unless their year code is different on these. Well, might actually be a heat pump. Might. I'm not too sure. I'm not the most skilled when it comes to commercial equipment. Down here on the end is a ream. Ream unit, heat pump. The data sheet is gone. And there's that. But yeah, that's all of them. I guess that wraps us up. See you guys in the next one.